Let's move arms and legs with IK and FK. Here I'm going to explain how to control arms and legs using IK and FK. I'm going to explain using version 2.1 user interface. Right after you set up Pastel Action, arms and legs are set to be controlled by IK. Let's move the arm. Lift the left arm. The left arm is lifted. This is as I explained in basic knowledge of IK and FK. Now let's bring the left arm IK bone to the right arm while keeping the same height. The left arm stopped midway. This is because there is an angle limitation in each joint so that it won't move in an unnatural way. As you can see, in Pastel Action, joint angle limitation function is automatically applied at setup. Now let's lift leg IK bone. You can lift the leg like this. Next, let's move the left arm with FK. I'm going to move the left upper arm. To switch between IK and FK, click the button with the double-headed arrow and FK. This is the button to switch between IK and FK. Submenu will appear by clicking. This time, we are switching from IK to FK, so choose IK to FK. Then another submenu will appear and we can choose in which part of model we want to switch to FK. For this time, we want to switch left arm to FK, so choose left hand. Now the left arm is switched to FK. Next, let's rotate the left upper arm. With FK, we need to select and rotate bones individually. There is a FK control button just on the right of the IK-FK switching button. Click and a submenu will appear. This time, we're moving left arm, so choose the left side of the body. Then another submenu will appear, and you can choose which part of the left side of the body you want to move. For this time, let's choose the upper arm. Next, there's a box to adjust Euler rotation just below IK-FK switching button. Let's rotate the x-axis. Hide property panel to watch the move. The left upper arm rotated. Next, switch left arm from FK to IK. Click on the IK-FK switching button. This time, we are switching from FK to IK, so choose FK to IK. Then, you can choose which part of the model to switch to IK. This time, it's left arm, so choose left hand. Let's see the move. You can see that the left wrist has moved to the location of IK bone. The direction of the move changes in the middle due to the joint angle limitation function. That's all for the explanation of moving arms and legs. Thank you for watching.